Getting started, there's a video getting started with the room. I think it's part 5. Okay? On 5, 4, 3, 2. Welcome back, everyone. This is Big Al over here at Paylor. We're going to put this floor in now. Okay? So let's see how we do this. We click on the floor. And it says here the 7 red points on the line that shows where the floor and back wall meet are equally spaced. Use a ruler to do this. This ensures that the floorboards will be of equal width, which means you want them of equal width. Now, sometimes you want floorboards that aren't, but that's a design consideration that goes beyond where we are. Anyways, let's click on a red ball. There's our first one. Notice all it is a vanishing line, an orthogonal, that's extended all the way out. Okay? The orthogonal drawn through the first point shows where the first board is. Think of the vanishing point as the sun, and the orthogonals are like the sun's rays. So we are going to do that one. Click on the orthogonal that goes through there. We will. And there's that one. That one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay? So go ahead and do that. Okay? And let's do some more. Now all we did, as you can see, is we just sort of erased things off just a bit. The wood floor is now complete. The boards get wider as they get closer to the viewer and narrow as they get closer to the vanishing point. How would you make the wood floor with boards of unequal width? Well, you just place those at different sections. I mean different lengths, right? Instead of being equal parts, you'd have unequal parts. And that looks like it. Click on the wood floor again. There we go. Whoa, what do we got here? It looks like the floor, but instead of being a floor, it's going to be the ceiling tiles. The ceiling tiles. Okay. It says the animation on the right shows how to draw a tile ceiling in one-point perspective. To see a step-by-step explanation, click on the tile ceiling, which is what we'll do. So we're going to click on to see this tile ceiling. It says here the tile ceiling starts just like the wood floor with equally spaced points marked off with the help of a ruler. The difference is that the red points are on the line that shows the place where the back wall and ceiling meet. Okay? Not where the back wall and the floor. Okay? So it's up here. So we'll click on a red dot, and that's what we get. Okay? Just what you got down below. Okay, once again, just like the wood floor, orthogonals are drawn from the vanishing point that look like rays of the sun. The orthogonals show where the ceiling tiles will be. So they're coming out that way. So I'll click on one of these. And it says here, the diagonal red line goes across the orthogonals from here to here. Okay, we cross every orthogonal. All right? It starts in one corner of the ceiling and goes to the other corner of the ceiling. You see, that's all your ceiling. We're actually going to the other corner of the ceiling. Okay, this line, which will be erased later, will help us draw the tiles. Notice that the parts of the orthogonals that were on the back wall have been erased. Right? We erased those from the back wall. Okay, click on the red line. Okay, you see that intersect right there? That is where your first tile line is going to be. To get the first row of tiles, we draw a horizontal line across the top of the ceiling where the red line intersects the red orthogonal. Notice that the diagonal red line intersects all of the orthogonals in the ceiling. So you're going to draw a line there, 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 and there. Right? And there's your second one.